Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10. You will need a new app to open this MS Windows Store. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is go to your settings of the Windows, go to your apps. After doing this tab, search list, type store, open a Microsoft Store, click on it, click on advanced options, scroll down and click on reset, click on reset. After reset that, close it. The second method is that open a search box and type a PowerShell. Open a Windows PowerShell, right click, run as administrator, click on yes button. After that, copy the command from video description and paste it. Okay guys, after completing that all the process, type exit and press enter. Now working will be started. Now after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your any search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Now click on first link is microsoft.com Windows 10 download disk image. Scroll down and click on a download tool. Now click on save button, open it, right click, run as administrator. Click on accept button. After that, select update this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, the updating will be started, and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, your computer automatically restarts and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.